Now the levelers are working, because if it's too unlevel, these automatic levelers won't work. So yay! Oh, that's awesome! Got a brick patio.
I know. Look at this. Thank you, everybody.
Yay! Finally level.
What you want to be in cinnamon color?
He smells the sunshine. He's like, I like it.
Right now,
Obviously, if you have the next one, you should have if you play now, you're gone. It's getting old. Life goes fast, faster when you're older. So don't close your eyes and come back when it's over. Young hearts, leave it all behind. Airplane.
Oh, that's nifty. Did you make it yourself?
Yes.
Okay, are you gonna throw it for us and show us?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, no, throw it towards your van so we can see it. Oh, that went pretty far.
And I can make it over this branch.
Can you? All right, let's see it. Oh, good job. So we're having to cut some limbs down so Dana and the family can fit in this driveway right here.
Oh, that's a tool. I was wondering, I didn't even see what he was using. I didn't see how you got up there so high.
It's here so that my panels are getting some light, and this is just in a better position for me. Cut that limb.
I told that boy to do this a long time ago. But
That should be, oh yeah, that last one right there, yep. Watch out. Oh, one more. There you go. Yeah, he should be able to get in here now.
now this man.
Now that tree, yeah. Oh, be careful. Can't get ya.
Sometimes it used to be that it split off and it went two different directions. It fell over on this side and fell over on this side. It's probably about gone. I need to do this a long time ago. I told Jimmy to do this a long time ago too. For that and then wondering out the others.
Oh, be careful. So it looks like a little community here now in my aunt's yard. We got it blocked off pretty well. Little cubby hole right here. Moo-moo laying down our little sitting circle. We could put a little fire pit there.
Oh yeah, I didn't think
He finally found his spot.
Are you tired, Banjo, huh? You do the banjo. Thank you, smoochy, smoochy. Alright, it's almost done. I think that is going to pull into here. And we should be good. We just want to make sure that none of these branches scrape the top.
And I know my belt was $90. I wouldn't want to change mine. I'll hang on to this. It cost $50. What, for the extension and everything? That's all made together.
So we're just stacking up the branches and limbs over here for now until we can haul them off.
It's so smooth, that saw.
It does.
So awesome.
See, I told you my auntie said she would cut a tree down so you could park.
God bless them. Uncle Leah and Auntie Virgie. We love
Oh, wait. Whoa. There you go.
I'll pull it.
Bless their hearts.
I'll pull it this way when it comes
There you go.
The light opened up in here.
down. This one more.
It's the vines on there, I think. There's vines growing on it. Those look like grapevines. Oh, no, they're not grapevines. There's some kind of something. There you go. Yeah. Now you should be able to pull the rig in, no problem. That should be good.
when you give a boy his toy.
I know, you're going to cut the tree bare. There's not going to be nothing left. I know.
This is not going to be in your way.
Maybe that one hanging
You want
there.
it gone, man. Yeah, Cut it down. We'll move it. We'll get rid of it.
We'll help you.
Yeah. Try and get off this dadgum cord.
There you go.
And down it goes. Ooh, that came this way.
That'll give you a lot of
There you go.
Perfect.
Yeah, because you kind of want to get all the way down here, huh? Yeah.
Fit in nicely.
It's good drop off now. Right there as far as it goes.
All right, dinner is ready and everybody's headed inside so we can go eat. We're gonna fix our plates and then bring it out here to eat. Thank you, Virgie.
You gotta sit down.
You're not gonna eat?
A little on.
My guy. My guy.
This was our handy. This was her idea.
We're washing our hands.
Okay.
That's pretty.
Oh, the towel.
Kids, I think the plastic are for y'all over there.
Yum, right?
Lasagna, garlic bread. Where's the corn?
That's empty. I have been
Corn and salad. It's all the second door on the left. No. Oh, wait, yeah, go down. Oh, it's all good. I don't care if you reach across right now. Ooh, yummy. Yeah. No, we're glad to have y'all. Look at that. That looks yummy. We're gonna go outside. Sit down in the. No, let's go outside. It's nice and breezy outside. Okay. Yeah, let's go outside. It's nice and breezy outside. So. Yeah, that's true. We can just sit on the rug and watch a movie. Thank you. Hey, my moo-moo. Hey. Your mama's fixing you something to eat right now. Yummy. Oh my god, it's so good.
And I already told you, I'm here to stay. Hell or high